So Konstantinos is here with me. So he came, let's see, 2 years ago, looking like this. Someone might say that, well, it's not so bad. Well, actually it is, because this is a variant of stage 6. There is some hair in the front, but the crown was totally bald, and actually this was not any significant coverage from the previous hair. So we had 2 sessions altogether, 5,500 or 600 grafts with thin hair. His hair is thin actually, gray with a small waving, and this is the result we have after 2 sessions, approximately 5,500 grafts and probably 12,000 hairs. This is a thin hair. You can see that we have a very good coverage. Let's see the donor area. The donor area, you can see that there are hardly any signs of harvesting. So if in the future he wishes to cover any more, there's plenty of donor area. Is it okay if I wet the hair?
No, it's okay.
Okay, let's see even with wet hair, which is a very good test, both for the credibility of the video as well as to see the naturalness and the coverage of our result. So you can see the hairline, which I believe is totally natural, and the coverage on the whole area, which was bald, especially the crown area, which was totally bald. You can see that even with wet hair, there is total coverage. So what is your testimony on the? Do you like it now that you saw the pictures of 2 years ago?
I started deleting my old photos, so now I focus on my recent ones. So I would say, with the rate system up to 10, I'll give you 20.
So double 10.
Double 10.
Like
yes.
double 10.
It's an amazing, and the message I would like to convey to all of you guys: go to professionals, not to marketing. Just professionals that have proven record. This is very, very important.
So he chose this golden comb from my clinic. So if you want to have a result like Konstantinos, even if it is a strategy of 2 sessions, like in this case, and I'm happy to consult you, and who knows, maybe you're going to get this kind of course, you will get this kind of result, and you will get this kind of golden comb for your great
One
result.
last comment: you cannot guess my real age. Believe me, I look 10 years younger.
Maybe more. You cannot tell my age either. I'm older than him.
Thank you.